More than 30 million Americans, both men and women, have venous disease, including varicose veins and venous insufficiency. About 50% of all middle-aged adults in the United States have varicose veins. Varicose veins occur when the valves in the leg veins become incompetent, causing blood to pool in the legs. Varicose veins are the most common indications of chronic venous insufficiency. If left untreated, it can progress to chronic venous insufficiency, which can then lead to progressively more serious and painful symptoms over time. Varicose veins and chronic venous insufficiency can occur in anyone. However, advanced age and female gender may increase one's risk. Other risk factors include family history, current or previous pregnancies, lifestyle that requires prolonged standing, lack of exercise, and obesity. Early diagnosis and treatment can really add quality to one's life. The signs and symptoms of varicose veins and chronic venous insufficiency are leg heaviness, aching or cramping, swelling, itching, tingling or burning sensation, restless legs, skin color changes, and poorly or non-healing wounds and ulcers. Chronic venous insufficiency is diagnosed by medical history and physical examination, along with a non-invasive duplex ultrasound imaging. Only about 2 of the more than 30 million chronic venous insufficiency patients seek treatment each year. Chronic venous insufficiency can be prevented by simple lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise and losing weight. Painkillers, leg elevation, and compression stockings can be helpful. Spider veins are treated with sclerotherapy injections. Venous stripping is highly invasive surgery for varicose veins. Minimally invasive endovenous ablation is an office-based approximately 45-minute procedure with no need for general anesthesia or hospitalization and minimal to no downtime with immediate recovery and long-lasting results. So if you suffer from varicose veins or chronic venous insufficiency, please call 951-682-6900 to make an appointment and check us out at drbukhari.com.